Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down Midjourney's pricing plans to help you decide which subscription fits your creative needs before you buy. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and research from official sources, including Midjourney's website and documentation. Alright, let's get into it. Midjourney offers four subscription plans: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Mega, all on a monthly or annual auto-renew basis. Paying annually can save you about 20%. Here's a quick rundown. The basic plan costs $10 per month, giving you 3.3 hours of fast GPU time. That's about 200 minutes to generate images quickly. But it doesn't offer relax mode, which lets you create images with unlimited time but slower speeds. You can also work in Discord DMs but no stealth mode, meaning your images are public. The standard plan is $30 a month and includes 15 hours of fast GPU time plus unlimited relaxed mode. This means you can create a lot more images with more flexibility, like basic no stealth mode though. Your Pro plan is $60 per month, doubling your fast GPU time to 30 hours, unlimited relax mode, and adds stealth mode, which keeps your creations private. You can also run up to 12 fast jobs at once, great if you want speed and privacy. Finally, the Mega plan is $120 a month with 60 hours of fast GPU time, unlimited relax mode, stealth mode, and the same high job concurrency as Pro. This is ideal for heavy users or professionals. If you run out of GB time, you can purchase extra at $4 per hour on any plan. One important note on usage rights: once you subscribe, you generally have broad commercial rights to your images. But if your company makes over $1 million a year, you need to be on Pro or Mega to use the images commercially. If you're just starting out or creating casually, basic or standard plans offer good options. But if privacy, speed, and heavy usage matter, Pro or Mega are worth considering. The stealth mode and more fast GPU hours justify the higher price for series creators. And that's it for the Midjourney pricing breakdown. If you found this helpful, hit a like and subscribe for more honest reviews.